Meet the BBQ Pro. Over a decade ago, we launched Proline's BBQ Pro to give serious grillers a dedicated hood built exclusively for the challenges of outdoor grilling. It quickly became a favorite for its power, durability, and timeless design. Today, we're proud to expand that legacy even further. The new BBQ Pro Series features wider and deeper capture areas across wall mount, under cabinet, and island configurations, giving you unmatched coverage no matter your patio layout or grill size. Crafted from heavy-duty 1.2mm 304 stainless steel, equipped with dual 1000 CFM blowers for up to 2000 CFM of raw suction power, and sealed LED lights built to handle the heat, the BBQ Pro is made for serious outdoor environments. Its signature bell-shaped curve blends bold design with practical function, maximizing airflow while adding a touch of style to your outdoor space. Available in sizes from 42-inch to 72-inch, there's a BBQ Pro for every grill. Shop our BBQ Hood selection today.